students, now here we extended our discussion regarding the applications of numerical integration. Applications of Simpson or Simpson's Reed rule or the trapezoidal rule is related with the finding of volume of solid or the discussion of finding the velocity or the distance or the time period regarding the distance covered in the particular time with the velocity. Now in this problem, the velocity v of a particle at a distance s from a point on its linear path is given in the following table. So these two entries are given to us, that is s is the distance and v is the velocity. Now the question is, estimate the time taken by the particle to traverse the distance of 20 meters using Simpson 1/3 rule. Or we can discuss this by using the Simpson 3/8 rule or trapezoidal rule. Now we have to discuss here time taken by the particle. So let t be the time traversed by the particle at distance, suppose s, then ds by dt is nothing but our velocity. The distance with respect to time is velocity. Or now we have to find out time period. So this becomes reciprocal dt by ds is nothing but 1 upon v, and that is our value of y. Now we are finding a time t for distance s is equals to 0 to s is equals to 20. So integration limits 0 to 20 t, it is nothing but dt by ds, which is equals to integration of 0 to 20 dt by ds, it is 1 upon v, or we'll write down y ds, where s is the operator here. Dt by ds, it is 1 upon v, and 1 upon v is nothing but y ds. Now we'll write down here this expression by using the Simpson's 1/3 rule. It becomes 0 to 20 y ds is equals to h divided by 3. Now formula is y0 plus, how many entries we have? Now here we have to put up the notations. This is first v0, 1, 2, 3, so there are 8 entries. Now y0 to y8 plus 4 times y1, y3, y5, y7 plus twice y2, y4, y6. So this becomes the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Value of h is the step size 2.5 divided by 3. y0, now I am writing here value of y0, so that value it is 1 by 16. y8 value 1 by 9. Because this is v0 value, 1 upon v0 is nothing but y, so y0 it becomes 1 upon 16 plus 4, y1 value 1 upon 19, y3, 1 by 22, y5 1 by 17 and y7 1 divided by 11 plus twice y2 1 upon 21, y4 1 upon 20 and y6 1 divided by 30. Now which is equals to 1.2615. Hence the required time is 1.2615 second. So this one problem we completed by using the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Similarly, this problem we can discuss by using 3/8 rule or the trapezoidal rule. Another, it is Booles's rule or Vede's rule. By using that also we can complete this. So here again the three parameters are given to us, that is s is the distance, v is the velocity, and the required time period that we have to find out. So we find here the time period taken by the particle to traverse the distance of 20 meters, and that time period is 1.2615. Thank you.